Hello and welcome to the Folk Music Academy. In this lesson we're going to look at a reel called Last Night's Fun. This is a very popular reel again, well played around the country and the world. It was made popular by the Galway accordion player Joe Cooley. Joe Cooley was born in the 1920s in Peterswell in County Galway. He moved to America and spent a lot of his life out there. And I'm sure a lot of you already play Joe Cooley's reel, that E minor reel that we all love so well. This one is also known as Joe Cooley's number 1. So it's not known if he wrote it or not, but he certainly popularised it and is associated with his playing. So I'm going to play through it once and you can hear how it goes, and then we can take it apart and get it under the fingers. Okay, here we go. A lovely simple single reel in the key of D major, so we have F sharps and we have C sharps. Let's take it bar by bar. There's a couple of variations and plenty of opportunity for putting in rolls, both first finger rolls and open string rolls and bow triplets, but we can get to that a little later. For right now, let's take the simple version of the tune bar by bar. Here we go. You can repeat after me.